Hey, it's Berta Jay, and you're back in my kitchen with me today. We have another segment in
Viewers' Voices.
Viewers' Voices. I get to tell you some of the things that I'm learning from you guys. Now, this segment, this particular one, is really cool. Her name is Pat C. And what she did was, when the water is getting ready to boil on brown rice, she cooked it the way I have on the video. When that water is getting ready to boil, she puts 1 teaspoon or thereabouts. You could do a little bit more, a little bit less, depending on the amount of rice you're doing. But she put a teaspoon of this into the boiling water, and then she put in the brown rice, and she said it gives it a most wonderful taste. So guess what I did? I made some. It turns a little bit more yellow because the chicken seasoning has a nutritional yeast in it, and it's pretty yellow. And I have to agree with Pat C. This is really good. I like it. So I think I may be making my rice like this all the time, except when I'm doing savory things. If I'm gonna do it and make it sweet, I won't put the chicken seasoning in, but if I'm not, I'm gonna do it this way. This is a winner. You guys will like this. So, thank you, Pat C, for giving me the vegan chicken seasoning added to my brown rice. Now, because I made this, I also made my brown rice gravy. And if you make it with the rice that has the chicken seasoning in it, oh my goodness. We're talking about over the moon. I love this stuff. So delicious. Anyway, now there'll be 3 more. But what you're gonna notice is my outfit will change because, actually, Evan decided that I had not, that it needed to be, the beginning needed to be recorded. So the next 3, I won't have the same outfit on. With that being said, you're gonna go ahead and look at the next 3, okay? Second one is Tamson asked if I could please put the ingredients in my recipes, how to use it, all that different stuff, so that a recipe she would be able to have it, so she'd know how to do it. Now that was back in 2018, and I've started doing that already. So I just wanted to say, I know Tamson is happy with that, but maybe a lot of you are too. If you look at some of my older videos, you will see that I don't have it on. So as you make comments on the old ones, I will put all of the ingredients in the description box below the video, okay? The third one is really interesting because this is ginger. What I found that if you use a knife to cut it, there's a lot of ginger that's left on there. Not a whole lot, but you could use it. But what I found from Ruthann Amarteifio, I think that's how you say it. What she told me to do is she said, Berta, don't use that. Don't use a knife. You can get more if you just use the edge of a spoon. You can get more ginger that you keep and less. Well, look at that. There's like hardly nothing attached to it. If you look at that, the inside of that and this compared to this, you just get rid of the peel. So I'll just say, Ruthann, thank you so much, because I've started using my spoon, and any spoon will do. The last one is from Jennifer Jones. She really liked the avocado pudding. I really like the avocado pudding too. It's chocolate. And so what she did, so that it would last a little longer, and I just put it in a glass, is what you do is she added some fruit. She used 1/3 of a cup. So I'm putting in 1/3 of a cup, and you can just stir that up in there. And now you have like almost twice as much. And I'm gonna try it because I think it tastes good. That's good. Okay? The other thing with the avocado pudding, I use this myself. You can use a few nuts. You can just, these are a mixture of sliced almonds and some cracked walnuts. Just put those on the top. Instead of just a smooth pudding. This is 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna put it all in there. And the same thing happens. You get the avocado pudding, which is very rich again, but it tastes really nice and it's crunchy. Also, very good. Yep. Last thing with the avocado pudding, I'll set these to a side, is you can take my brownies and you can use, this is what I store the avocado pudding in, washed out jar. You can plop it right on the top. And I don't know if some of you have already thought of this, but you can spread it over it just like a frosting. Now that is also very tasty. I know it because I do it all the time. So avocado pudding with berries, avocado pudding with nuts, or avocado pudding as a frosting on my very easy brownies. Thank you guys so much for giving me your voice so that I would learn something new about things I already do. How's that? Thanks again, guys. And so until next time, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click on that notification bell so that every time a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification. Okay? So until next time, bye for now.